Here's a frustrating little trap a lot of people get stuck in. You want good credit, but to build credit, you need to use a credit card. And to get a good credit card, you need credit you don't have yet. So you're stuck on the outside of the system, looking in with what is called a thin file, which just means you don't have enough history for the credit bureaus to really score you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to start building real credit even with a thin file, and even if you cannot get or do not want a credit card. So if you've ever been turned down because you have no credit, stick with me because there is a way in. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and on this channel we talk about money in a way that actually makes sense. So before we fix it, let me explain what's actually going on, because once you understand how credit is built, the solution makes total sense. Your credit score is basically a track record. It's the system's way of seeing whether you reliably pay back what you owe over time. The single biggest thing that builds is payment history, meaning you borrowed something and you paid it back on time again and again. The problem when you have a thin file is not that you're bad with money, it's just that you don't have that track record yet. The bureaus have nothing to look at, so they can't give you a strong score, and lenders get nervous about someone with no history. It's kind of a chicken and egg problem, and it's not your fault. You just need a way to start building that track record up. Now, most people think the only way to do that is a credit card, and a card can work, but there are real reasons that it doesn't fit everyone. Some people can't get approved for a decent one with a thin file. Some people have had a rough experience with cards before and honestly don't trust themselves with one yet, which is completely fair and smart thing to admit. And some people just don't want the temptation of a card sitting in their wallet. The good news is that a credit card is not the only way you can build payment history. There are tools built specifically for this exact situation. So let me tell you how this works. There is a category of products called credit builder accounts, and the whole point of them is to create that on-time payment history for you without needing a traditional credit card. The basic idea is simple. You make small regular payments on something, and that account reports those on-time payments to the credit bureau. Over time, that steady record of paying on time is exactly the kind of history that builds your score. You're essentially proving that you are reliable in a structured way that the credit bureaus can see and actually count. The specific one I want to talk about is called Kovo, and it's built for this exact problem. With Kovo, you make small manageable payments, and those payments get reported to the credit bureaus, so you're building that payment history month after month. The reason it's great for people with a thin file is that it's designed to be accessible, so you're not getting rejected for not having credit, which is the whole catch-22 we're trying to escape. So if you want to check it out and get started, that link is down in the description below. I only point you to that one because it does the one thing that actually matters here, which is getting your on-time payments reported so your history finally starts to build. Now here's the part I really want you to hear, so stay with me because this is where people set themselves up to either win or get discouraged. Building credit is not instant, and anyone who promises you a magic overnight 700 is not being straight with you. Your score builds with time and consistency. Every month you pay on time, you're adding another brick to that track record. So the real strategy is to start now, keep your payments on time every single month, and let the months stack up. 6 months to a year from now, you will have a real history that didn't exist before. The single most important habit in this entire video is just paying on time though, every single time, because one missed payment can undo a lot of good months. So set up a reminder or automate it and protect that streak like it's gold. While that history is building, let me give you a couple of other moves that can really help you, because credit is built from more than one thing. If you have any kind of bill, there are now ways to get some of your everyday payments, like certain recurring bills, counted towards your credit, so look into that. Another powerful move is becoming an authorized user on the credit card of someone you trust, like a parent or partner with good credit, because their good history on that card can help your file, and you don't even need to use the card. There's also something called a secured credit card, which is a card you put a small deposit down on, so the bank takes no risk and almost anyone can get approved, and it builds credit just like a regular card. It's a great middle option if you decide you want a card but cannot get a normal one yet. None of these are the whole answer on their own, but stacked together with a credit builder account, they really can help your thin file fill out faster. Let me also warn you about a trap, because when people are desperate to build credit fast, they get targeted by scams. You will see ads promising you to magically erase bad credit or jump your score overnight for a big fee. I want you to be very careful with that. Real credit building is not a secret trick that someone sells you. It's just on-time payments stacking up over months, which you can do yourself with the tools we just talked about. Another smart free move is to actually check your own credit reports, which you are entitled to look at for free, so you can make sure there are no errors dragging you down. Sometimes a thin file also has a mistake on it, and fixing an error costs you nothing. So before you ever pay someone to fix your credit, remember the real work is free and simple, it just takes time. Let me be honest with you about expectations, because I never want to set you up to feel like you failed. Reaching a 700 plus score is absolutely doable, but it's a destination you walk to, not a switch that you flip. How fast you get there depends on your starting point and how clean you get your history. Some people get there faster than others, and that is okay. What matters is is the direction that you're heading. If your score is climbing and your habits are solid, you're winning, even if you're not at the finish line yet. So don't compare your month 3 to someone else's year 3. Just keep stacking on-time payments. Before we wrap up, let me give you a few bonus tips that protect the credit you're working so hard to build, because once you start seeing progress, you want to make sure you're not tripping yourself up without realizing it. First, when you do get a card someday, try to keep your balance low compared to your limit. A good rule is to use only a small slice of what is available to you, because running a card close to maxed out, even if you pay it off later, can pull your score down. Second, don't apply for a bunch of new accounts all at once. Every application can ding your score a little, so space them out and only apply for what you actually need. Third, once you do have an account, never rush to close your oldest one, because the age of your credit matters and that old account is actually working in the background. It's doing you a real favor just by staying open. And finally, make sure whatever tool you use actually reports to all 3 credit bureaus, not just one. That way, all of your hard work shows up everywhere it counts instead of only being part of the picture. These are small habits, but they are the difference between slowly climbing and accidentally sliding backwards. Okay, now let's put it all together. A thin file is not a character flaw. It just means you have no track record yet. You build that record with on-time payments that get reported to the credit bureaus, and you can do that without a traditional credit card. You can do that by using a credit builder account like Kovo. Stack on top of that with any bills that you can get reported in being an authorized user if that is available to you. Then protect your on-time streak month after month. Give it real time and watch your score climb toward that 700 and beyond. And again, if you want to start building your credit history today, that Kovo link is down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. And if this gave you a way forward, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, because we keep money super simple and judgment free around here. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one.